हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। हम लोग आज एक नया एग्जाम के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। आईएसआई 2026। आईएसआई इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूट 2026 के लिए जो मोस्ट प्रोबेबल कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस है उसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। मैंने 5 क्वेश्चंस इसमें रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूं और देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, for how many values of p are the numbers p minus 1 over 4 and p plus 1 over 2 are all primes? ऐसे कितना नंबर आएगा ये? So exactly 1, at least 2, infinitely many and no value. अनदर ये क्वेश्चंस नंबर थ्योरी के ऊपर बेस्ड है। नेक्स्ट हम लोग सेकेंड नंबर क्वेश्चन, लेट a इक्वल टू a इज ए सेट। उसका जो एलिमेंट्स है, देयर आर 7 एलिमेंट्स, A1, A2 up to A7, a set of 7 elements, and B another set है जिसमें B1, B2, B3 is a set of 3 elements. The number of functions f from A to B such that f is onto and there are exactly 3 elements x in A such that f of x is B1 is 558 functions, 560 option B, option C is the 490 and D is the 680. अनदर बाइनोमियल थ्योरम से है। ये क्वेश्चन को मैं खुद सेटअप किया हूं क्योंकि जेई मेन एडवांस और आईएसआई और नाइजर आइजर में जो क्वेश्चंस आता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम में उस ईयर को लेके कुछ क्वेश्चंस बनाया जा सकता है। तो इसीलिए मैं उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आता रहता है। तो मैं इसके लिए एक क्वेश्चन सेटअप किया हूँ, 1 into 1 फैक्टोरियल प्लस 2 into 2 फैक्टोरियल प्लस 3 into 3 फैक्टोरियल प्लस अप टू 2026 into 2026 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल्स टू ऑप्शन ए 2026 फैक्टोरियल माइनस 1, बी इज द 2026 फैक्टोरियल माइनस 1, सी इज द 2 times into 2 2026 factorial minus 1, and D is the 2 into 2027 factorial minus 1. And the next is the favorite chapter of all the entrance examinations. चाहे तुम मैथमेटिकल ओलंपियाड एग्जामिनेशन बोलो, चाहे तुम जेई मेन, जेई एडवांस, and also ISI, Indian Statistical Institute, that is the complex number is the most hottest हॉट केक जैसा है उसका क्वेश्चंस। द मिनिमम पॉसिबल वैल्यूज ऑफ मॉडुलस ऑफ जेड स्क्वायर प्लस मॉडुलस ऑफ जेड माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस मॉडुलस ऑफ जेड माइनस 6 का स्क्वायर इज 30, 45 एंड 15 एंड 20। इसमें से कौन सा होगा? अनदर इज the remainder of Rx when the polynomial x raised to the power 100 is divided by x square minus 3x plus 2 is ऑप्शन ए बी सी डी। उसमें से हम लोग सॉल्व करने के बाद हम लोग को जो मिलेगा, ठीक है। तो ये जो 5 क्वेश्चंस है आईएसआई 2026 के लिए, आई होप एवरीवन should understand the concepts of these questions. Okay, how to solve the questions. Now we have to start for the solutions. Okay, for question number 1 हम लोग लिखेंगे लेट p minus 1 by 4 equal to k for some positive integer k, then p को सब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं, that is 4k plus 1. So what is the value of a p plus 1 by 2? It is should be 4k plus 2 by 2, which is equal to 2k plus 1. Then given numbers become become 4k plus 1 and another is k and 2k plus 1. इसमें के ऑब्जर्व करने का बात है जो कि हम लोग देखेंगे. ऑब्जर्व दैट 4k plus 1 can be written as 3k plus k plus 1. Another part is the 2k plus 1 can be written as 3k minus of k minus 1. The remainder, when the remainder, you have to write here the remainder when 2k plus 1 and k and 4k plus 1 are divided by 3 are divided by 3 are the same as the remainder when divided by 3 are same as the remainder when k minus 1, k and k plus 1 are divided by 3. ये सबसे मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट है. But these are the 3 consecutive integers k minus 1 and k plus 1. ये सबसे मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट बात है कि हम लोग इसको देखेंगे कि ये जो है ये ऑल आर द कंजुगेटिव इंटीजर्स. ये हम लोग मैथमेटिकल इंडक्शन से एक इंपोर्टेंट चैप्टर है तो उसमें जानते हैं कि अगर 3 कंजुगेटिव इंटीजर्स है so one of them is the multiple of 3. must be. अगर हम लोग देखेंगे 3 कंजुगेटिव इंटीजर, सपोज हम लोग देख रहे हैं 4, 5 and 6, सपोज टू बी 8, 9 and 10. इसमें कोई ना कोई एक नंबर होगा अगर 3 कंजुगेटिव नंबर से, दैट मस्ट बी द मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, you have to observe in this. So now only multiple is 3. Now only multiple of 3, that is 3 itself. Okay, so if only for k equal to 3, all for k plus 1 and k and 2k plus 1 are prime. Okay, so prime numbers are, it is 13 and 3 and 7. So one number answer should be A. Okay, so you have to check that the answer should be A. Second number फंक्शन से बिलोंग करता है. सो हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का जो सोल्यूशन है देखते हैं. तो द 3 एलिमेंट्स इन ए व्हिच फॉर्म द प्री इमेज इन द सेट ऑफ B1. द 3 elements in A which from the pre-image, pre-image set of B1 can be chosen in 7C3 ways, which is equal to 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 factorial. So equal to 4 factorial into 5 into 6 into 7 over 1 into 2 into 3. So 6 cancel out. It is 35 ways. Okay. And now the remaining, now the remaining four elements in A can be chosen, can be associated with the remaining two elements. Okay, उसके बाद B1 चलेगा, तो उसके बाद दो एलिमेंट्स रहेगा, एलिमेंट्स इन B, set B. So to such functions, so such that the functions is, to the function is 2 to the power 4 minus 2, that should be the 14. So number of functions, total number of functions, required functions, total number of functions equal to 35 into 14 equal to 490. Okay, so in the question number B, 2, so 490 means answer is the C number, answer is the correct option is the C. First one, it is exactly 1, so A answer is the correct. Okay, so now we have to start question number 3. Okay, so question number एक फेवरेट कॉन्सेप्ट से बिलोंग करता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का जो सॉल्यूशन है, सो लेट्स one of my favorite concepts also, let's telescope. Series. Now you can note that, now you can note k into k factorial, k times k factorial can be written as k plus 1 minus 1, k can be written as this k factorial. Now if we open the bracket and distributive law, if we put the distributive law, so k plus 1 into k factorial minus k factorial, right? So k plus 1 into k, it is k plus 1 factorial minus k factorial. Now we can plug all the terms. So 1 into 1 factorial can be written as 2 factorial minus 1 factorial. Now 2 times 2 factorial can be written as 3 factorial minus 2 factorial. 3 times 3 factorial can be written as 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Similarly, we go up to 2026 into 2026 factorial can be written as 2027 factorial minus 2026 factorial. Now we add up all the terms. So adding, we get, okay, we get left side should be 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus up to plus 2026 into 2026 factorial equal to 2000, क्योंकि कैंसल आउट ऐसे ही काट रहे, ओके, सो ये 2026 ही कटेगा, इसके बाद 3 ऐसे कटेगा, सो 2027 factorial minus 1 factorial means it is 1. So answer is B. This is a very beautiful questions, and also our answer for the question number 3 is B. Now we go for the hot questions. Hottest question, hottest concept it may be. So question number 4, you can start. If we look at the problem in the geometric setting, we can find the solution very easily. Okay. So there is so many approaches for the inequalities, triangle inequalities you can set up. Okay. And then it is the by coordinate geometry you can set up, and also this is the geometric setting. Okay. So geometric setting, let A का जो कोऑर्डिनेट है that to be 0, B का कोऑर्डिनेट that to be 3, and C का कोऑर्डिनेट can be 6 iota, and P coordinate is Z. Okay, so that is the C. Now A, B and C are the vertices of the triangles. Okay, vertices of the triangles. Then the problem reduces to finding the possible values of PA square plus PB square plus PC square should be minimum. Geometrically, we find the minimum occur at the centroid. We have to centroid. So, centroid Z equal to 0 plus 3 plus 6i over 3 equal to 1 plus 2i, 2 iota. Okay. Then minimum possible value, possible value should be 1 plus 2 iota modulus square minimum value plus 1 plus 2 iota minus 3 modulus square plus 1 plus 2 iota minus 6 iota modulus square. So it is very simple. It is 1 square, 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 4 square. So it is 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 16. So it is 5, 5, 10, 20, 30. So 30. So 30 means its answer should be 4 number. We have to go back. 30 means answer A. A is the correct answer. Next, we have to go for the last question. These are the very conceptual questions. Question number 5. So by division, ऑलवेज मैं बोलता हूँ क्लास 10 का जो पुराना बुक था उसमें डिवीजन एल्गोरिदम था, तो डिवीजन यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा था, तो उसमें से क्वेश्चंस वो के मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल कंसेप्ट था, उसको डिलीट कर दिया गया है रिड्यूसेड सिलेबस के अंदर। तो इसलिए उस बुक को अगर किसी के पास है तो उसको तुम चेक कर सकते हो, बहुत अच्छा कंसेप्ट उसमें था। बाय डिवीजन एल्गोरिदम, it is x raised to the power 100 equal to x minus 1 x minus 2 times g of x plus ax plus b. At x equal to 1, it is should be a plus b equal to 1. If x equal to 2, at x equal to 2, that is 2 raised to the power 100 equal to 2a plus b. So from these two equations, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. From these two equations, we get a equal to, so a can be 2 to the power, a equal to 2 to the power 100 minus 1, and b should be 2 minus 2 to the power 100. So thus r of x equal to ax plus b. That means 2 to the power 100 minus 1 times x plus 2 minus 2 to the power 100. So we have to match the answer, x plus taking 2 common. So 1 minus 2 to the power 99. So ये आंसर हमारा आ गया 2 to the power 100 minus 1 times x. ओके, सो ये क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर है 5 नंबर का, तो 2 to the power 100 minus 1 times x and 1 minus 2 to the power, so options, or maybe mistakenly options should be written here. This answer should be C. So here we can correct this. Answer should be 2 to the power 100 minus 1 times x plus 2 whole into 1 minus 2 to the power 99. I think that's answer must be C. It is a typing error, so adjust it. Okay. So thank you, and another request to all of you that share the video to your friends and to your community, and also please subscribe this channel to encourage me, and also give the comments and likes also. Thank you so much.